Maak je druikstijd. Oké, en kap. Alright. Oh, it's a koi! It's a koi! It's a koi! Away guys, so we're back here at a pond that Devan and I fish a lot. It's me, Daniel, Devan, and Paul. And I'm taking this intro a bit late. Daniel already caught his carp that you guys are now going to see in the video. And yeah, let's hope to catch another one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like down below now, please. It really helps out the channel. Stay tuned, you'll see Daniel catch a carp and hopefully we catch some more. And I hope you guys enjoy the video.
We have Daniel on the rod, Dian on the net. Kom uit op die punt. Devan, what's your predictions on the weight?
2.7 kilos.
Come on, Vian. VG Outdoors. There we go. Kopkeer.
Als hy is in die lucht. Ons het boys, kom ons gaan damduik. Dit is groter as die ene wat jy op die spesie engel gevang het. Denk is so.
Oh, jy gaan 'n bucket kry.
Ja. Stap uit. Lekker Dan. Wel dan, het ben jou vis geweest, man. Lekker boys. Dan,
'n goeie hoekset geweest, hoor.
ja, wel dan Dan. Ga ik af. Wel dan. Je moet toch maar die touwtjes van zo, anders kan je niet recht lezen.
Waarom doen ik mezelf van nu?
4.695.
So wat fokai.
Ze is 3 en een ietsie, 3.
Ja, nee, ik fijn.
Ze is 4 kilo vis. Oké Dan, maar staan een beetje voor een foudie?
Any words?
No, I think this is close to my PB, so I'm lucky to be escaping the bucket. But I think when we catch the big ones, I'll take the bucket. But yeah, flipping
Pop club.
Yeah.
Like a millieboomvis. On the porridge.
On the porridge.
Going for the release.
Ek gaan nou nie underwater nie, want die water vlieg op my vuil. Safely released, daar gaan hy. Sterk. Lekker geluk, Dan.
Thanks, man. Thanks, boy.
Hold on, Danny. Wat is stokvis hierdie? Away boys, we fishing. Paul grabbing a big crab. Ik weet niet wat hij gaat doen.
No, you
Idaho! Idaho! Idaho!
Oh, nee! Hij is af. Hij is af.
Katrol.
Hij is nog hier, hij is om een stok, Hij is om een stok. Hij is bezig.
Misschien wel hij op die stok.
Maar nee, hij is net... Nee, hij is om je stok. Hij heeft om je stok gehardlopen. Hij is een beetje zo'n te lopen, maar hij is hier op. Okay guys, so we're back here. This is the next morning. We came here at 5 o'clock. It's now 6 o'clock. We already had our first pull on this rod that's right above my head, but when I went to check it out, the fish dropped it. So hopefully we get another one within the next 5 minutes. I'm here with Marku and with Devan. Looks like he's cold. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 rods in at the moment, so hopefully we get something and then we can show you guys a little fishy here shortly. Hy gaan vir die takke hardloop, maak dit reg styf. Nee, moenie. Regs, right tighty. Nie te hard nie. Is hy nog op? Lekker Marco. He's on. Jy kry jy die net, Devan. Net jou lyn styf. Ek het gesien een van die lyne het al op. So hy swem nou soen toe. So hou maar net die lyn styf, ek kan maar 'n bietjie katrol. Ek kan nie hy sien. Hy is nog nie klaar gefight nie. Ja. Hy is op pad hierdie kant toe. Hou lyn styf, maar nie die lyn laat slap nie. On with the first one for the morning. I spoke to you guys 8 minutes ago. Ja, hou jou lyn styf, maar nie counter het wat hy doen. Okay, nou naar Devan toe gaan. Is dit 'n barber? Dis 'n barber, geen wonder hy fight so hard nie. No, it's a nice fish. This, I don't think it's a carp. We think it might be a catfish or a barbel, African sharp-tooth catfish. En hy trek so. Gaan hy. Wat is die style? Okay, nie te hard nie. Wat is hy? Ek dink is 'n barber, ja. Is 'n barber. Nee, is 'n carp. Is dit 'n flippend sterk carp? Wow. Ja, hy wil nie ophou nie. It's a carp, it's not a barbel. And it's a ja, maar hy draai op 'n tikkie. It's not a bad fish. Not a bad fish. It's a very lively one. Hy is 'n wakker vis, ja. Jy moet hom net nie te vroeg draai net nie, want anders as ons hom skrik maak gaan hy afkom. Bring hom hierdie kant toe. Kyk maar, is 'n wakker vis. Okay, bring hom hierdie kant toe. There we go. Marku, well done, bro. Fighting him like a champion.
Hy wil nie.
Bring hom. Lekker Devan, daar's hy voice. Well done. Lekker man. Marku, high fives. Well done. Gelukkig, dis 'n mooi karpie. Ek kry daai hoekie uit. How do you feel about your first? Nee, it's your first carpie. No. Not, he was catching at Witbank with me. He fought like a barbel though, we thought he was a catfish. But it's a nice little carp. Hoe feel you, Marku? How do you feel? Nice, nice. First fish for the morning.
Nee, ek dink hy
Was er aan 'n kopkeer 101 moet kom in.
Ja, maar net tot hier af, dis 'n gat, daar's 'n duik en dan.
Hey Marku, well done bro.
Hey, dank vir dit gesien.
Ja, jy stok het gefly hoor. Back into the water, he or she it goes. Okay, and Marku's falling. We just rebaited. Devan's rod's still there. There's the hair rig. Marku's rod, and then I have my rod way over there. And yeah, this one had a bit of interest a bit earlier. Yeah. We're back in the water, let's see how it goes. Wat sê jy, Devan? What is your opinion? Are you sitting lekker? A nice little before work session. I have to start work in 3 hours, so yeah. Hierso.
Bring maar die arme man se net. Ja. Ja.
Other boys finally on my own.
Flip, ek vergeet hierdie ding se armpie is nie lekker nie.
Ja.
Hy dink.
Lekker before work fishing session.
En die vis vaai net so terug. Vat ons net aan die ander kant van my lyn. Oh, Marco, go for it, hè? Alright, yay!
Woo!
Ja, maar dan. Ja.
Here we go, guys. Not a bad.
Hier, oké, wij zijn startpunten.
Yeah, kind of the grey tips on his tail, which is quite cool. There you go, nice little 1.5 kilo, maybe. Yeah, 1.5 kilo carp for the morning. Going for the release.
Good job.
Right, fishy. Mag je eruit staan? En. Oké, en kap. Alright, dat is. Oké, die gaan jij net krijgen. Oké, hierdie kant toe. Rechts.
Nee, hierdie een is
Was het nou een kleintje?
hy in vergelijking met die vorige dag.
Ja, maar hij zwemt saam mee, dus hoe kom?
Iets is net
Nee, hij zwemt niet saam mee.
nee, daar nie.
Ik weet niet meer, watch. Hij is hier in die gras. Oké, breng hem weer terug. Ja, het is een kooi! Het is een kooi! Het is een kooi! Alsjeblieft, vang hem. Oh, nee! Mijn zit stilgebleid. We lost the koi! Damn. Okay guys, what is up? I'm back. This is an abrupt end to the video, sorry. I just saw the camera lying on the chair when I got into the car. Thought I might make this outro before I leave. I started working. We fished this morning. I hope you guys enjoyed. Marco ended up losing a koi, which was just as I said, please catch it. He lost it, or it popped off, which is quite like a commentator's curse. But it was a fun little session. yesterday afternoon and this morning before work. I really enjoyed it. It was a quick little, as we said in Afrikaans, pub club session. We at least caught some carp. I know they caught a little barbel with a bitten off tail from probably when it's young, when I left there. So the bite slowed down quite considerably. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like down below. It really helps out the channel. I know I said that at the beginning of the video. Do it now if you haven't already done it. Consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. I know I've been a bit lazy with the videos. It's the weather combined with, yeah, the fishing's just not been good. But anyway, I have a few trips for fishing bass, cur, tilapia, barbel, carp, whatever we can catch coming up here shortly. You guys should stay tuned for that and enjoy. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks, bye. Okay, you doen, ek kan sien jy doen los nou weer.
Gaan jy been uit hulle.
Hy wil nie los hier hoor. Ek dink ek maar asie nou net weggegee.
Gaan jy byt nog kry toe daar.